Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I planted these Peruvian apple cactuses. A buddy of mine gave me 3 cuttings, which are these original stalks here, and they started to sprout and get lots of roots on the bottom, so I decided that it was time for to plant them. These guys get huge, up to 20 feet tall, and as you can see here, this is one of the buds. There's already 2 extra buds coming out here, and so it was time to put her in the ground. And I'm going to show you in the front of our house where we're going to put 2 more, so that you can get a good idea of the space we're going to use and also how to plant them. It's very simple. They're cactus, very little water. As long as it has good soil, it's perfect. So follow along. I had this kind of weed or tree. I'm not sure what it is. It was here. I dug it all up, put it to the side, kind of cleared out this area. As I said, these get big, so we want something pretty significant here. And you get fruit, and they're compatible with my dragon fruit in the back. So that's kind of cool because I can cross-pollinate them and see what the fruits taste like. Plus, I've heard the Peruvian apple cactuses are pretty tasty anyway. So let's get to planting. So I'm using a post hole digger instead of a shovel, just because for me it's a lot faster to dig a hole, as you can see already. Plus you can stand them up like this. Perfect. All right, so you can see the roots on this guy already sticking out from the bottom. It's ready to be transplanted. So what I like to do is I kind of like to squeeze a little bit just to loosen up the plant. And just get a little, gotta be careful. I have gloves on because I don't want to get poked, and I have to make sure I don't. Actually, I'm just gonna tear the bottom up. I don't want to damage my roots. And then just give it a good couple shakes, and she should come out right there. There we go. Ready to go. I'm gonna put the little shoot going out that way. That way it can grow out to the side a little bit. Make sure we got our hole depth pretty good. That looks good there. And then just fill it back in with your dirt. Got some earthworms in here. That's a good sign. Signs of life. Always good. Especially they got this mulch here to break. They can break down further, which will in turn feed the plant, which is also very good. Give it a couple good steps on here. Get it nice and secure in there. I didn't pack the dirt tightly underneath. Look, we got a little baby gecko here. Again, get it kind of stomped in there a little bit. And as long as I get it good enough and packed in here on top, it should stand up on its own. There we are. Get a little bit of water. A little bit of water. Never hurts. Rinse it off a little bit. As I said, it's a cactus, so it doesn't need much care. Soil here in Central Florida is pretty sandy, so don't have to really worry too much about it drying out. Especially since where it's from in Peru, desert cactus, so it does not need much water to survive. Well, that should be good enough. Spot right here, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Which way do you want it to go?
I think playing it like this. Maybe like a little bit of an angle like this. That way it'll allow this to grow. Start growing. It'll start growing up straight by itself.
Okay.
Just because the sun will do it for it. That would think. I'm not 100% sure. Let's let this little guy get in breed. So this root stock is weird. Let's do it that way.
Give me a smile for the thumbnail.